Well, welcome to the Week 7 video lecture. Week 7, yay, the week before spring break. So everybody have your plans, make sure you do all your work, be safe over spring break because I want to see everyone coming back on the flip side. So with Week 7, we are starting Project 2, the analysis of audience purpose. Again, we're going to use Gemini to find information as our thought partner. But first, we need to talk about rhetoric, the rhetorical situation, jargon, general audience, because a lot of freshmen in writing classes say, well, I'm writing for a general audience. It's large, very hard to do because you're talking about everyone. And if you try to write for everyone, you might not be writing for anyone. So you have to know who you're writing for, what the purpose of it, audience purpose. And that's what we're doing in Project 2. And again, I discussed, well, why are we using AI for this? Because AI can help you focus better. Now, AI doesn't really think. We've talked about this. It gathers, especially Gemini, gathers information from the web and presents it to you, okay? And then you, as the human, have to go in and decide, yes, wrong, right, what's it talking about? No, okay? So we have, there's going to be 3 posts this week in your discussion forum. First one, you're going to read the audience analysis Project 2. You're going to read that assignment description. And then you're going to summarize what this is asking you to produce. Okay, so you're writing a summary for Part 1. And if you label these Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, it'll be golden. Okay? The textbook reflection, well, you're going to read this. It's in our textbook, and you're going to write a Driscoll response to this. You know, introduction, what, so what, now what? So what? Why does this matter to your writing? You're going to say, I learned this matters because. The same I learned, as you always do, is going to be in here. Part 3, student response. Well, you're going to talk to a group member, either about how you're both approaching the concept of audience purpose. Yeah, how are you doing this? Again, regular deadlines. Some checklists. These are just checklists. This is not, you don't answer these. These are, did I do this? Did I do enough for parts 1, 2, 3? And so how does this connect to my research topic? Well, not really. I'm going to change that. It's just, what did you learn? Okay, I'll take that out right now. Again, the summaries, rhetorical triangle. Okay, so that's all for week 7 of the lecture. Remember, Project 1 is due by Sunday, March 8th. It's one file submission, must be a Word document. You cannot link to anything. You cannot submit a PDF file. That's all talked about in the assignment, and it's talked about in the syllabus. What is an acceptable format? You must have a page break between your reference list with a crap analysis and your Driscoll reflection. Okay, and there's information on how to insert a page break. I've given you some, or you can just Google it. All right, that's all I have for now. Everybody enjoy your spring break. Bye.